Hi, and welcome to the Novel Suite video tutorial series, created to help you get the most out of Novel Suite. In this video, we're looking at storing research files. Let's get started.
Select Research from the menu on the left side, and then select New Topic from the drop-down menu. Or, you can select the Research module from the home page and click Add Research. Title the research information. Enter information, images, URLs, and any other research material you want to save for later reference. To link to a URL, make sure you select the Link button. From the drop-down list, select the book to which your research relates, and save changes. The topic now appears in the research list. By selecting a book from the drop-down menu, you can see all of the research that relates to it.
Thank you so much for watching, and check out our other tutorials if you want to learn even more about how to use Novel Suite.